Hi, my name is Sophia, and in this video we're going to take a look at glues offered by Superhairpieces that can be applied on both poly as well as lace material. Here is the link of our previous video where we looked at glues only recommended for poly skin systems. As always, you can purchase these glues from superhairpieces.com. All the links will be in the description down below. Superhairpieces offers the Sigma and Aqua Bun lace adhesives by PPI. These are the acrylic-based adhesives that are strong, comfortable, and easy to use with both lace and poly systems. They are particularly ideal for beginners and can last 1 to 2 weeks depending on the wearer. Safe Grip Glue works on lace material as well as poly. This is a waterproof adhesive with a water base that is easy to clean up. Safe Grip dries clear and can last 2 to 3 weeks, making it ideal for extended weekly wear. There's also Ghost Bond Glue, which is one of the most popular glues on the hair system market today. Ghost Bond comes in Classic, Phantom, and XL. Among the notable features include invisible bonding, easy cleanup, built-in heat, humidity, and sweat busters. These glues can last anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, but this also depends on various factors such as temperature, humidity, and the body chemistry of the wearer. Adhere 360 by Max Adhesives is another liquid adhesive option. It is an extended wear bonding adhesive that is water-based and latex-free for full head bond attachment for skin grafts as well as lace units to the scalp. With a hold of 3 to 4 weeks, this glue is also waterproof, so it's a great choice for athletes as well as wearers from warmer climates. It is also easy to clean and dries clear for an invisible bond. There's also Max Ascent, which is a super strong dab-on formula. It is designed for extended wear and can last from 1 to 2 weeks. It has a strong hold that can withstand humid and windy conditions, while it is also waterproof and easy to clean. Superhairpieces also carries Davines adhesives. These are waterproof adhesives that can be used on poly as well as lace toupees and wigs. The regular Davines adhesive 57T has a hold of 1 to 3 weeks and it is waterproof. It is ideal for sweating, swimming, or any other physical activities. It is also irritation-free and safe to use on all skin types. There is also the Davines Lace Adhesive Brush-On Green Print, which is specifically designed for lace systems, but can work on poly as well. It has a hold of 2 to 4 weeks and cures in 5 to 7 minutes. Lastly, there's the Telus 8, which is the latest addition in the Telus silicone adhesive line by PPI. It is a strong and durable medical-grade adhesive that comes in 3 formulas including fast drying, slow drying, and matte lace. They are ideal for bonding silicone, latex, and lace hair systems and have a strong hold time once cured. They are only recommended for professionals. Once again, keep in mind that you should never apply glue on the monofilament material. Just like with tape, only the poly or lace material should be used for applying glue. And remember, all these glues are available on superhairpieces.com, so make sure to use us for all your hair system supply needs. We're also always adding new supplies, so keep an eye on our website. And that's all for me. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.